in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add an unlimited amount of accounts into this automation software that operates on Twitter, and you can manage hundreds, even thousands of Twitter accounts to run your marketing campaigns. First, you have to add a new account right here. I already have about 700 accounts I can use. Today I'm going to show you how you can auto-post thousands of contents with these accounts. First, you have to go to the content management, where you have to add a post to use, or you can scan a random post or a specific post on Twitter and you can use it for your accounts. Then you're going to go down to the post feature. You can post on your personal or on communities. First step, you have to choose the account you want to use. I'm going to choose all 688 accounts I have, and you have to set up the personal configuration right here. You can follow all these numbers that I put up. You can use unavailable content that you put in the content management, or you can use other account content where you just have to put in the ID and the software will go there and take the contents, and you can duplicate the content and do anything you want with it. Post onto the communities you have joined. You can put up how many posts you want. You can prevent all these accounts to duplicate the post, or you can even add a comment after posting. Something like this, and you just have to click start. The software will run on itself. Everything is automated. Each account will open up a different Chrome profile. We coded our own Chromium for this, so you won't have to pay for extra for an anti-detect browser. Just have to click start right here. Everything is automated.